Welcome to the fastest way to learn DSA. Today, we are mastering LeetCode 242, the Valid Anagram Challenge. Think of this as the ultimate double check. We need to see if two words are actually the exact same letters, just wearing different costumes. Let us look at our strings, string S and string T. Our job? Return true if T is an anagram of S, and false otherwise. Wait, what is an anagram? An anagram is just a word formed by rearranging the letters of another. Two rules to remember. 1. They must have the exact same characters, and 2. They must have the exact same counts for each character. If the lengths are different, they can't possibly be anagrams. Let us dive into our dry run. Look at our strings, anagram and anagram. Our strategy? We will use a frequency counter. Think of it like a scoreboard for every letter. First, we look at string S. Anagram. We walk through it letter by letter. We add 1 to our score. N. We add 1 to N. Another score for becomes 2. Next is G. Score for G becomes 1. Then R. Score for R becomes 1. Another and becomes 3. Finally M, and M becomes 1. Our scoreboard is complete. Now, it's time for string T to step up. Anagram. We walk through T, and for every letter we see, we subtract 1 from our scoreboard. N. We subtract 1 from N. Score becomes 0. We subtract 1 from Score becomes 2. G. Subtract 1 from G. Score becomes 0. Next is becomes 1. Then R. R becomes 0. Another and A is finally back to 0. And the last letter M. M becomes 0 too. Look at that. We finished string T, and every single score on our board is exactly 0. Every letter found its perfect pair. It's a match. They are anagrams, and we return true. Now, let us look at the Python code. We start with a quick check. If the lengths of S and T are not equal, we return false immediately. Why waste time? Next, we create our scoreboard. We use a dictionary, which is perfect for counting things. We use a single loop to walk through both strings at the same time. For S, we increment the count. For T, we decrement it. Wait, look at the get method. This is our safety net. It says, give me the current count, or 0 if we haven't seen this letter yet. Finally, we check our board. If every count is 0, we return true. Think of it like two chefs following the same recipe. Chef S and Chef T. They both have a basket of ingredients. You walk into Chef S's kitchen and count every onion, every tomato, and every carrot. Then you go to Chef T's kitchen and remove 1 onion for every onion he has. If you finish and the basket is empty, they had the exact same ingredients. If there's an extra onion left, or a missing tomato, the recipes don't match. For our strategy, we use the frequency map technique. It's much faster than sorting both strings, which would take more work. Looking at complexity, the time complexity is O of N. We only visit each letter once. The space complexity is O of K, where K is the number of unique characters. Since we only have 26 lowercase letters, this is effectively O of 1. Pure speed. And that is the Valid Anagram Challenge. Mastered. Save this video for your next interview, and follow Leo Academy for more premium DSA guides.